Hello everyone, just wanted to do a quick video on my TLRY trade. Um, I had an alert set. I believe I may have had this set for, let me check here. I don't know if I posted this on my watch list. I don't believe I did. Yeah, I don't see it there. I kind of added it the other day. Um, but you see we had a 2-2 reversal on the monthly here. So I set an alert for a break of the high of the month here, which was 1874. You can see price level 1874 that broke that yesterday afternoon. Let's go over to here. You would go to the 60-minute. It broke it right here about 2:30 in the afternoon, probably closer to 3 o'clock because it was towards the end of the candle. And I got in then. I had actually bought the June $20 calls. I paid $1.85, I believe, and I sold them today for $4.35. The reason I sold them, they didn't hit magnitude. Magnitude was up here, the high of this candle, which was 23.63. They didn't hit magnitude, but here's the reason I sold. You can see here, this is a 15-minute chart. I use dynamic hiding pivots. I don't know who wrote this. I got it from one of the fellow Twitter guys that I'm friends with a few years ago. But it automatically puts these pivots on your chart. And you can see here, we came up, there was a pivot up here at 22.42. So I had my sell order set just below that. My sell order actually triggered. My sell order actually triggered. I'm trying to find my contract I had to see what the high was. Bum, 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 bum. So right now they're at about 245. So the high on these today was 450. I sold at 435, so I almost caught the high, which wasn't my concern. I don't care about catching the tops. If you try to catch tops and bottoms, you're going to lose money. Just try to get a piece of the middle. So anyway, I had my sell order set just below this. My thought process was one of two things are going to happen. It's either going to blast through this and continue going on, fine, I'll take my 130% and I'll move on. Or it's going to get close to this and it's going to pull back, which is what it did. So I'm glad I sold when I did. I can still get back in it later. Will I? I don't know. I may not. We'll have to see. But what I would do is either watch for a break above this 1874 again, or you could watch for a break above the high of this month's candle, which is 2214. Or you could even look for something on the daily chart. You see we had a 2 back here. Maybe tomorrow we go inside, and maybe Monday break the high of the inside candle, and that'd be an opportunity to jump in. Different ways to play it. Just make sure you keep your stops tight. Any way you trade it should work out. Obviously, the most conservative would be waiting for the break of the 2214 here, but then your risk reward is kind of skewed because where are you going to put your stop at? Your target's only going to be here, which is only $1.10, actually $1.50 above this, but where's your stop going to be? Now if the candle opens right here, you could put your stop right below the open. Doesn't give you a lot of wiggle room, but you have a pretty tight stop then, so if it doesn't work, you won't be down that much money. So it's one way to look at it. I was pretty active today trading. I traded Tesla about 15 times. Some winners, some losers, but in the end, I'm up for the day on it. Actually up pretty good in both accounts today, so ended up being a pretty good day for me yesterday and today both. had a few other trades today. I don't recall what all they were, but I just wanted to come on here and do a quick video on TLRY, show you how I traded it, why I traded it, and show you why I got out when I did. I know a lot of straters, pure straters, don't like pivots. You know, they say that the strat is the pivot killer, but I've found these to be pretty accurate, so I still use them. If you have something that works for you, continue using it. That's the only advice I can give. I've been using these for years, and doesn't matter what system it is, they usually hold pretty true. I only have them on my 15-minute chart. They're the same for every time frame. They don't change. Like if I put it on a 30-minute here, I put it on the 30, it's still at the same levels. If you highlight one of them, it shows the price on the other. 2042, 2042. They don't change based on the time frame you're using. I don't know how they're calculated. I never tried to really sit and figure it out. It doesn't really matter to me how they're calculated. I just know that they work. So I only keep them on one time frame. There's no sense in cluttering up all 6 of these charts when they're going to be the same for every one of them. You don't really want to put it on the daily chart because you'll see how it looks on the daily. On the daily, you just get a little line here. You don't have, it doesn't, unless I'm missing something in the settings, it doesn't go the whole way across. Actually, it was right here. You can barely see it, but you can see the green one here. It doesn't go the whole way across like it does down here, so you don't want to put it on the daily. At least I wouldn't. But I only have it on one of my charts. This is the 5, 15, 30, 60 daily and weekly, and then I click this tab, it shows the monthly. But yeah, you don't need to put it on every chart. I put it on my 15, and that's the chart I generally look at the most. So anyway, thanks for watching. Just wanted to put this out there real quick and show you that. Good luck, and see you guys this weekend. Bye.